if I told you that the body begins to age the very day you lose your balance? Would you believe it? In Japan, this is the first sign that vital energy is weakening, and also the first one they recover. Today you'll discover the Japanese balance reflex, a method with 3 simple movements used for decades in longevity clinics to reprogram the body to react quickly, firmly, and with confidence, even after the age of 80. But before we start, I'd love to know you better. Write your name and the country you're watching from in the comments. And subscribe now, because every week I share new Japanese secrets of movement and longevity. Did you know that losing balance for just 1 second can reveal much more than it seems? Japanese researchers discovered that body stability is directly linked to longevity, and that those who keep this reflex active can live up to 10 years with more independence. In Japan, balance is treated as a thermometer of vitality, and doctors observe it with the same attention as the heartbeat. Behind it lies an ancient concept called hara, the body's center of energy. It's the area below the abdomen where, according to Japanese culture, lives the inner strength that sustains movement and calm. When the hara is active, the body reacts even before thinking, the feet adjust, the trunk stabilizes, and the brain understands it is safe. But when this center falls asleep, even the ground feels unstable, and that's how stumbles and silent falls begin. This is where the Japanese secret comes in. Reactivating this reflex requires neither strength nor speed, but conscious movement. In Radio Taiso routines in Japan, they use a simple forward and backward bend to awaken these balance and posture sensors throughout the entire body. Movement 1, forward and backward. This exercise is taught in longevity centers and even in schools because it trains the body to react before a fall happens. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your knees slightly bent to relieve pressure from the lower back. Extend your arms in front of your body. Then, lower your hands down and back, leaning your torso forward and looking between your feet, as if trying to see slightly behind you. Next, return, raise your arms in front of you, and lean the torso slightly backward, looking between your hands. Perform this movement at a comfortable pace, forward and back, like a controlled swing. Do not throw or whip your body. Instead, move gently within your range and add a small, soft emphasis at the end without forcing. If you have sensitivity in your back, go slowly with smaller range and respect your limits. Start with 4 repetitions, and over time you can do a few more, always with care. Even after just a few repetitions, you'll feel that you truly exercised. Behind this seemingly simple movement lies powerful science. When you tilt the body forward and backward, you activate internal sensors called proprioceptors, tiny receptors spread throughout the muscles and joints that inform the brain about the body's position. When these sensors are stimulated, the body responds with millimetric precision even before you realize you're off balance. It's as if the nervous system relearns how to protect you, silently. In Tokyo, researchers at Waseda University observed that older adults who practice this type of balance exercise for just 2 minutes daily improved their stability by up to 35% in 4 weeks. The brain creates new connections related to posture and quick reactions, and the body begins to act as it did when young, instinctive, firm, and agile. That's why in Japan, balance is not seen as just another exercise, but as a way to educate the body to trust itself. Have you ever noticed your body sometimes waver for no reason? If so, comment balance below. But the Japanese also know that balance doesn't live alone. It moves. Once the reflex is awakened, it must be put into action step by step, so that the body walks again with the same firmness of youth. Movement 2. Heel to toe walk in Japan. There's a principle called Ashi no Renma, the refinement of steps. It teaches that every step can be a training in awareness and stability. The heel-to-toe walk is one of the simplest yet most effective gestures to re-educate the body. Simply walk slowly, placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other, keeping your gaze forward and your body upright. Take 5 to 10 steps, feeling the ground respond beneath your feet. Use a table or wall for support if it makes you feel safer and more comfortable. Each movement awakens balance and coordination sensors that were asleep. The ankle muscles strengthen, the brain learns to trust the body again, and the fear of falling begins to fade. It's as if the body and the ground start communicating once more. That's why in many Japanese clinics, this exercise is used not only as physical training, but as meditation in motion, a way to return to the center. And when the step becomes steady again, the next challenge appears naturally, remaining still without losing inner stability. Movement 3. One-leg stand. This is Japan's silent test of longevity. It requires no strength or speed, only presence. Standing on one leg for a few seconds reveals much more than balance. It shows whether the body still responds to instinct. To practice, lightly hold onto a chair, lift one leg and stay firm, activating the abdomen and breathing slowly. Try to hold for 10 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. During the exercise, you'll feel small oscillations. These are the deep muscles waking up. The body reacts, adjusts, corrects, and finds its center again. The Japanese call this Shisei no Chikara, the strength of posture. It's the body remembering something it never truly forgot, how to support itself calmly and precisely. Practice this gesture every day, and you'll realize that balance is not the absence of movement, it's mastery over it. Balance is more than a physical gesture, it's a form of presence. In Japan, it's believed that the body ages when it forgets how to move calmly, but rejuvenates when it reconnects to its center. These simple movements retrain instinct, awaken the sleeping body, and restore the lightness that time tries to erase. No matter your age, every step, every sway, every breath is a way of telling your body, we're still alive. With just 2 minutes a day, you awaken muscles time has forgotten, reignite confidence that fear had dimmed, and teach your body to move with wisdom, not haste. Because aging with balance is living with awareness. And as they say in Japan, those who find their center never fall, not in body nor in life.